In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Vercel account. By the end, you will know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the confirmation process, so you can complete the deletion confidently. First, open your browser and head to vercel.com. Then sign in to your personal account. Make sure you are logging into the personal profile you actually want to remove. If you are part of any teams, remember that a personal account is different from a team workspace, and deleting your personal account delete a team itself. You may need access to your email during this process, so keep it handy in case Vercel sends a confirmation message. Once you are signed in and on the Vercel dashboard, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that icon to open the menu. Then choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area. If you don't see the menu or the icon, make sure you are on the dashboard and not in the documentation or a separate project view. On the settings page, you will land in the general section by default. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You are looking for the delete account section, which specifically covers personal account deletion. If you are accidentally viewing a team settings instead, you won't see the personal delete option. So double-check that the header or account switcher reflects your personal account. When you find the delete account section, review the note that deleting is permanent. This action removes your personal account and its associated personal resources on Vercel. If here is anything you still need from your personal projects or settings, pause here and verify before moving on. Click Delete Personal Account to start the process. Vercel may ask you to type your account name to confirm you understand what's being deleted. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. In many cases, you'll also receive a confirmation email to verify the deletion request. Open that email, click the confirmation link, and return to your browser if prompted. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder, and keep in mind that some confirmation links can expire after a short period. After you confirm, Vercel will begin processing the deletion. You may be signed out automatically and access to your personal resources will be removed. If you try to sign back in later with the same credentials, you'll need to create a new account, as this action can't be undone. That's it. Thanks for watching.